Arsenal have reportedly made one of the biggest moves of the summer transfer window, submitting an official £80 million bid for Bradley Barcola in a dramatic attempt to hijack Liverpool's pursuit of the French winger. After weeks of speculation linking Barcola with a move to Anfield, Mikel Arteta's side have now entered the race with serious intent. Liverpool have admired Barcola for his explosive pace, intelligent movement, and ability to create chance from wide areas. With the club continuing to prepare for the future, the French international has been viewed as one of the most exciting attacking talents in Europe. But Arsenal's sudden intervention could completely change the direction of the deal. The Gunners are determined to strengthen their attack before the new season begins. Arteta wants more competition across the front line and believes Barcola has the versatility to play on either wing while also offering creativity, direct running, and goals. His profile perfectly matches Arsenal's high intensity style, making him a priority target despite Liverpool's long-standing interest. Reports suggest Arsenal's £80 million bid offer is designed to show they are serious about beating Liverpool to the signature of the talented winger. While negotiations remain ongoing, the size of the bid sends a clear message that the North London club are ready to compete with any rival in the market. The coming days are expected to be crucial. Arsenal continue pushing to convince both the club and the player that Emirates is the right destination. Supporters are already debating the potential impact of the transfer. Arsenal fans see Barcola as another statement signing capable of taking their attack to another level. If Arsenal successfully complete this move, it will not only strengthen their squad but also deny one of their biggest rivals a world-class young talent. The race for Bradley Barcola has reached a decisive stage. Arsenal have made their move, and football fans around the world will be watching closely to see where one of Europe's brightest young stars will play next season.